interview unlocked. Epic interview this right now, because we have the man himself, Vendetta Boss, Alkaline, manners and respect, and welcome forward on the show.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
We see so much people forward out. 100,000 or something like that.
Yeah, I'm not even sure. I have to go
Yeah,
look
we
it
don't
up
know the
how much
numbers,
it
but you see.
Yeah. A few moments later.
So me see where Masicka having show I come up in a Barclays Center, see? And me see where some man rejoice and I say Masicka ticket they not sell out yet and Masicka ticket then to deer and horse out or something scene.
2,000 years later.
So would Vibes Cartel be the caliber artist he is to the day without a Mavado?
Jesus, please. It's like, no man.
Masicka. Me see them a try put a bad energy around your show, you know, your Barclays Center show. Yeah, man, 15th of August. Yeah.
One eternity later.
I just recently came across a video with one Kevin talking about CJ Miller. And is this dude on crack?
We don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta Boss represent fully. Oh, people. Bombard, me I tell you. Me never know say Alkaline drop an interview, you know. Yo, a good thing. A day me there on TikTok and me say, yo, Jano, I forget that exclude that one here. Jano, but we get a little piece out of it still. You see me, so we can vlog about piece side. You see me? Yeah, man. So we could go in a video, people, and make it go on.
Interview unlocked. Epic interview this right now, because we have the man himself, Vendetta Boss, Alkaline, manners and respect, and welcome forward on the show. See that? Alright. Just was people them wait for this long time, so you don't know, see it now.
Right.
The general just shelled down Barclays, right? Tell you about that now, because we see it enough big show and thing, but for have the show for yourself, you know, the whole Barclays set so. Was that a different experience?
Yeah, man, great experience, man. Because I remember when I born in New York, you know.
Yeah.
I born when I far from this, so we see so much people forward out. 100,000 or something like that.
Yeah, man.
Yo. People, a problem now, you know. Yo, this a interview you got. Yo, me say, I be a crash out go on. I be a crash out. Yo, Alka. Yo, the man know how to get. Yo, the man know how to get on it. Yo, in them skin, you know. Jano, you, them a go run with this, bro. Judge, man, say 100,000 a back. Yo, the crap on this. Remember me tell you.
Sure,
you see, the crap on
we
this.
don't know the numbers, but you see.
Yeah, it look like that. You see me, so I'm not thing, man. You see me? Yeah, it's a great feeling, man.
I will hear something like how long it take to prepare for a show like that? You know what I'm saying? Like how long to put together that show? And that show is officially on new rules.
I mean, like the whole planning of the show?
Yeah.
Well, that I would the management them. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, them, they would in terms of the planning. You see it when me chime in, but I don't know. Yeah, me a musician, me do the music, but you see me?
Straight.
Yeah. People, wanna hear that? Yo, Alka smart. The youth smart. You understand? That's why I tell you, say, when you see man, sister and management are them deal with the show. I tell you, say, the chemistry with Kerry. Me tell you already, bro. Me see it like I actually see the video. You see when Alkaline are forward on the stage? Kerry a shake alcohol like, you that thing say, Kerry a knowing sister, nothing, a business, bro. Alka does forward on the stage and do what I do. The man they not really dead if he met. The man they have music, they have a bag of show for go perform. Him now, that's why I have him sister manage and I do them little thing there. If Kerry forward and say some this and this to him, yeah, with the but most of the thing, Kerry a deal with that. Which I manager. You see me? Yeah, man.
Alright. I did hear you mention something recently, say you have an app, a release.
Really?
How that part go?
Yeah, I'm motion for us. Bring the fans them closer to the artists, you see it? On some exclusive thing, you see it? And going forward, some new thing where we are introduced to them, you see it? I don't really want to go in too much money before it actually officially launch, you see it? But just know, say, that I gotta be game changing, you see it? Bomba, yo, Anything where you see Alka forward with, no normal, you know. Yeah, man.
So figure say we're gonna get some music, maybe
Music, the whole works, man.
The works.
The whole works, man.
Dogs say work. So we'll see what that involves.
Yeah.
Would that be? I'm not gonna pressure you too much on it. Come see say it's like a project where you're building.
And it's so forward. So
I have a million questions more. I know if you sell it, the video up on it. But we're look out for it.
yeah, man. Just wait upon it, man. It's so forward. Yeah,
when you say soon, like how soon you think? You know,
days.
Release date.
Days. Weeks.
Days. Okay,
months.
like all right.
Yo, Jaja, I think you've said that, you know, with the album, you know, days, weeks, months. Look out, man. Remember people, the upper forward.
All right, that means they could have
Days, weeks,
if
months.
people are watching this, they could have out right now.
Just cool, man.
All right.
Yeah, so you know how the whole thing.
Yeah, man, we don't know.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we don't have much of the general time, so we've got to ask him. I've got to step through fast. All right, so everybody knows, say, then you go, right? And
You go Arden again?
Not no. In general, you used to go Arden, right?
True,
and everybody knows, say, as a young general.
People, big up on yourself, and I want to go watch the video over Just Boss. This are just piece of the clip. You see me, that part are kind of interesting. But this are just piece of the clip. Go up on Just Boss TV. Yeah, man, Just Boss TV on YouTube. And watch the whole light. You understand? This are just piece of the clip. You see me? Respect.
So me see where Masicka having show I come up in a Barclays Center, see? And me see where some man rejoice and I say Masicka ticket they no sell out yet and Masicka ticket them to deer and horse heart or something seen. So me I say still, you can't say anything you want to say about a artist, you know. You can't build whatever content you want to be about a artist. But when time, you go pre a artist pocket now and a wish thing don't fall. That the pass the limit now. And this a bad mind, this you call this, you're going to bad mind now. Because that's something personal now where you're going to. When you go say you want a man show up, it flap. See? So when Masicka show up flap, that now benefit you, brother. That now benefit you.
And that are the thing, you know. Real talk, that are the thing. You see me? Me no want Masicka show for flap because it has a representation of dancehall. You understand? Never wish upon a man downfall. Me no want it flap. You see me, because of dancehall. If you love dancehall and love the music, you would not think them way there. You understand? Want it for sell off, man. You see, want to see how the crowd react to certain things and every little thing. You see it, you know, say sometimes the tribal kick in every little thing, but if you see a youth a do a thing and I represent dancehall on a big scale, you have to just, yo, Ray, because you wouldn't want that them to do that to your artist, or you see me? But all if them do it to your artist, it no matter. You're not there for man, you're there for the music, you're there for the culture. You understand? I just one of them thing there.
So, listen me. The man show up go on just like anybody else, man. Just like anybody else. You can't appreciate a man show up flap and I rejoice for that. That no make you do, that no give a dollar in your pocket. If you show no go on. See? So, you no go and go buy a Masicka ticket, man. I feel like the show I go sell out still. Boiling down to the time I show. I just saw the show go more while. So, would Vybz Kartel be the caliber artist he is to the day without a Mavado? No, I don't think so. Yes, Vybz Kartel bust before Mavado, but was Vybz Kartel the man in 9 time when he bust?
No, I wasn't that type of artist. Because they their own alliance and every little thing. You see me, they have artists out there where do it and every little thing. And Mavado kind of help him based on energy wise. Remember, you know, them know Kartel and Mavado for this Goli and Gaza thing, you know, eat them and make money off right now. You understand? So it help him career. Imagine Vybz Kartel and Mavado never do a clash in a dancehall. Them wouldn't have nothing to say, yo, them man do it way. You understand? So each other feed each other career. You see me? Yeah, because Mavado kind of motivate Vybz Kartel to kind of change up him songs them and change up certain little things. You see me? Yeah, man, can do that forward with this one little type of, you know, fast DJ and all of them little things. You see me? Yeah, man.
We compete with Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. Beanie Man at them man, there was a man then time there. See? Mavado break out now 2005, start clash Vybz Kartel 2006. And so both of them build them big fan base after them clash. See? So it told them push them one another. So anything talk about Vybz Kartel, you have to talk about Mavado. The same thing go for it to them. It told them build them one another after the clash. Yeah, enough people clash, yes. But what you do in a clash and after a clash. See? So them know how to work them thing. After the clash done, them keep on push the away. Put them which part in there right now. So no, there wouldn't be that vice cartel we see right now today there without a Mavado. Now seeing a Mavado yesterday without a vice cartel. Two of them billion one another.
Masicka. Me see them a try put a bad energy around your show, you know, your Barclays Center show. Yeah, man, 15th of August. Yeah. They might try put a bad energy around it, you know, because they want to flap it. But you want, you know, we burn negativity, you know. Yeah, man, lightning will lick by negativity, man. A positive energy, man. A positive vibration. We are vibrate off of. See? You see, all I want to say, we are vibrate off of negative energy. You know what you say? Positive always overcome negative. So you want to go on, you know. We have to big up CJ Milan, you know. Because CJ Milan, I do a great thing with the dancehall. See, you know, we appreciate what she do.
Yeah, man, because she create the house so dancehall can keep, you know. Remember, you know, a CJ Milan believe in a house, you know. Remember, say no other promoter na book nobody in an arena like pan a rapid base like how CJ Milan do it, especially when it comes to New York. You understand? New York are more like Amazon or some club and them like a thing there. But when we talk about arena, a CJ Milan make the huge crowd a forward. You understand? And she have some more different arena things as well. You see me? She do it. She have a contract with Live Nation and she represent. She always, I think she did say this in the late interview what she do. She say, yo, if she feel, you understand? The dancehall thing feel based on, yo, she, you know, put the dancehall artist in the arena every look thing, cause you don't know Live Nation and watch what go on. If you have a contract with Live Nation and them say, yo, this not work out, you know, it don't make no sense to them. You understand? So, every show she do with the artist for do good. So you can continuously, so the other rest of artists them can get the chance for go in there. All them have to do is just put in the work.
So CJ Milan, keep doing what you're doing for dancehall. And Masicka, remember this. The strongest soldier get the hardest fight. I wish artists did sing that.
Jamil, man.
And another thing. There is no victory without a fight. Hear that, Masicka? So when me I say now, CJ Milan, remember this now, you have a thing with them call name intimidation. And you have another thing with them call name bullyism. Now take no intimidation from no one and no bullyism from no one. Where I go make you change your mind and stop support dancehall in the way in which you support it. Zine, because you've been doing a great job for dancehall. And like me say, we appreciate that. So at the end of the day, a positive energy I go in because remember we lick lightning pan negativity, you know. A lava we put pan negativity, you know. I remember, you know, you have some big pitney in a dancehall, you know. Big pitney them, you know. But them brain small like a mustard seed. Them brain are properly developed.
Yeah, man, one Kevin, man. You see me?
Them immature. Them immaturity complex cause them to behave one abnormal type of way. Yes. Because them behavior is not normal. And them can't see past. Then two. You see what I say? So here we are, so CJ Milan, big up yourself. Keep doing what you're doing. Masicka, big up yourself. And people, they run go get on the ticket. Masicka, Barclays Center, 15th of August. Yeah, man, New York City. You know, go and go get to the ticket, man. Seeing a one dancehall and a positive vibration, we say. A one dancehall. Any dancehall artist win, the whole of we should have win. Because the whole of we, I say dancehall. Positive vibration. Right, so. Shocking Morris said that.
I just recently came across a video with one Kevin talking about CJ Milan. Is this dude on crack? That's it's an honest question. Is this guy honestly on the white stuff or something? Because why the man deal with CJ Milan like that? The man say CJ Milan a bitch. The man say she go get her ties, go get her rose, go play with her pussy. Yo, me wonder over the little Masicka, brother. It's just music, you know. This fandom thing and this fandom era in a dancehall, brother. One Kevin, you're a grown man, bro. Behave like a grown man. You look like you could have been my father, dog. You know, look.
Brother, be your father. And them man, they want to be your father, me G. Jano, bro. Them man, they could never be a father, me G. You understand? Because imagine if Ima did your father and Ima behave like this. Brother, the man ain't be nobody father, brother. Imagine the man, child, them a look pan him a glance upon the media, bro. And see the man, they are sissy, dog. You know, see a be a woman, the man them cuss. See him a cuss Spice. Him a cuss CJ Milan. The man them no care. The man them cuss Lisa Hype. The amount of woman, them man they cuss me G. Them man they are, what you call it? Them man they come like piss, bro. Some like some little cockroach thing where you know good for your environment, bro. Like some mold and them little thing there. You understand? Yeah, man, them man they know. Them youth there, judge a youth, I tell you. But wait, man, I'm gonna learn him lesson one day, you know. You understand? Cause I'm forward out and I disrespect people. Even I put out people picture out there and I say some crazy thing, be a lie and them look a thing there. So make him go on, man. Make him go on.
I see no look good. And first of all, you're not looking for dancehall, bro. CJ Milan do a lot. CJ Milan a platform the artists them on some stage where no dancehall artists has never been before. Well, certain dancehall artists are them first time. You see me? So brother, just tone it down there. You're a big man. You see me, your vocabulary. Just bring it up a little, you know, from so degrading with your vocabulary, bro. You know, I know if you think if you bring across the message in a certain tone, it's going to be more clearer. Brother, you just make it look stupid and make it look like a crackhead. Alright? Have some respect for the lady. I've been the dancer. But have some respect, yo. It's just music.
Yo, people, you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, I want me the facts, man. People, them youth there, don't even make no sense. I tell you that, people. It don't even make no sense. But, you see, sometimes I have to just make some people go and do what them are doing, you know. Yeah, man, go and do what them are doing, man. Yeah, man. You see it. But, people, you don't know KD have something to say. You understand? I mean, have to make you know hear what KD has say. You see it. You know it thing set. Yeah, man, and people, go and go watch the interview with Alkaline over Just Was TV. You know it thing set. Pick up on yourself. Yeah, man, so. KD not gonna tell you no what I go on. You see it.
I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Alright, so Chad, Malidan basically came out and said this.
People, so who's your top 5? All time, greatest dancehall artist of all time?
Vybz Kartel. I would say I would most definitely have Squash on it. Squash, definitely.
That's 2, okay.
Mavado. Alkaline. Masicka. I can't name all of them, but you don't know. You know who have done great before, we have to just show respect, isn't it?
The man game top 5. That's his opinion. Me don't know, like, honestly, them do this with Skilly Bang already.
Yeah, man, I don't know. Eastside AK, top ranking AK, Mr. Universe. I don't know where they are BET Awards. Is it?
Yo, so we've been asking a lot of people who they think the top 5 lyrical rappers are. No specific order, right? Yeah. But I tend to think that Jamaican dancehall artists actually are more lyrical than rappers sometimes.
Sometimes.
I want to know, who's your top 5 lyrical dancehall artists?
Top 5 lyrical dancehall artists. Yeah. I would say Vybz Kartel, me, Idonia, Masicka, Alkaline.
If you don't come out and call a certain specific name is a problem. I see where some people is, you know, I say, yo, basically, Malidan switch up and him sell out, and I'm like, how can you fathom that? The man basically asks him, give me your top 5 dancehall artists, and him say Alkaline. And the people then abash him, basically abash him and say, yo, him sell out and you can keep your ratings, dog. Alkaline, I want your ratings and whatever. I'm like, yo, listen, I don't know one problem, but that's his opinion. Why not always make people's opinion be a bother to know? At the end of the day, the younger generation, the YG generation that's coming up in dancehall, them are going to give Alkaline them ratings. Whether they want to admit it now or not, they're going to give him his ratings because they know them grew up listening music, them grew up see the lifestyle when I do, when emulate everything. If it wasn't for him being the sacrificial lamb for the nowadays dancehall, the modern days dancehall now, you wouldn't have them. So obviously they are going to respect him and say, yo, listen, Alkaline, all when them don't want to admit it, why, the boy the Alkaline, you know, that's a give him ratings, you know. Them are going to do it. But you know, some people through them associate and affiliate with a certain camp, them not gonna say it no, but eventually it's going to happen. So give people time, as our artists say, everything take a little time. Give people grace. They believe in a giving persons grace. Give them time, it gonna happen. Eventually, things and time, it happen. So nobody bash it. Honestly, I don't understand why people always do this. If somebody come, if they never call Alkaline name, it would have still be a bother. Oh, you call such one name, and you not call Alkaline name. And when him call him name, you still have a problem. What I don't know. Lord youth man, Lord God man. Lord man. Alkaline did have to kick off every door in a dancehall to make it available and possible for the younger generation. Inevitably, it is going to happen. Give people grace. Things and time, it is going to happen. So, you have to understand, say, the little boy, them, the little boy behind them don't see this already. Because down are the days, when you come out as a dancehall artist, you have to come from a certain camp, you have to affiliate with a certain person. You send them can play in a dancehall, you send them can play a dance. Remember good. So one time, you know, if you don't play a certain people set a dance, them backs down and kick you down, you know, you can't. You know, the little distracting man, them have to know what them have to do. Them have to play certain things. But now, a modern time now, people literally, I get bust off of TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You do a little meme and it gone viral. And you use a little momentum there and catapult your career if you have sense. Because some people just get a one hit and you don't hear back from them. But everybody do what them do now, and like one time you know say the heavyweight them a dance all a gatekeep and not let in nobody if them not sign them and give them the authorization. And modern day, you know. So if the youth said that his Alkaline is one of his top tier dancehall artists that he looked up to, so what? Come on. An independence man, you know, have little festivity in an art man. Not too bad man, lad man. Little boy man. Sure.